What is good, everyone? It is DSG Panther here. Today I'm going to get my tyres done by Tyre Point. So we are going to get some Michelin's Pilot Sport 4s put on the car. Now these are actually a present for my dad for Christmas, so shout out to my dad, thank you so much. But yeah, so we're actually gonna go and get them put onto the car by Tyre Point, the one and only place that I ever go to. So we're gonna go Tyre Point, go follow them here, and yeah, so we're gonna go Tyre Point and get them on. So I'll see you guys when we're at Tyre Point, and I talk about some things that I had wrong with the car as well. We also might be getting some new rims, so I don't know. Let's just see what this video goes. But yeah, let's get on our way to Tyre Point. So guys, I just thought I'd quickly tell you what was wrong with my car. So I actually had coolant leaking from here. Actually from here. So if you can see there actually was coolant leaking. You can see it all around here. The coolant was leaking all the way from that area, and it turns out I don't think the company that tuned my car and put my new turbo back on, actually didn't put it on properly. Now to me that's a bit worrying when I got my car tuned and you have your reliability on a company to fit something properly and they didn't. Now that coolant hose is very important, it's the returner. So you need it to be perfect for the car, but it is what it is. I'm not going to keep chatting on, I'm going to get into going to Tyre Point. We're finally going to get it done. We are going to get new tyres and hopefully some new rims on the car as well at some point. So there's the Polo. It's very dirty right now, but it actually looks sick dirty. I'm going to show you quick. Like, tell me that does not look sick when it's all dirty. I don't know, just like with the diffuser and all blacked out, it looks kind of sick when it's got a shit stain all up the back. But yeah, oh honestly, it looks so sick. But yeah, let's get into the video. Let's sit down to Tyre Point and let's go and see Ant, and Ant will talk us through what he's going to be doing with the car, with the rims and the tyres, and yeah, hopefully the car handles a lot better with Michelin's. Or are they Michelin's? Who knows? Are they Michelin's or not? I don't know. Comment what you think the tyres are going to be right now. But yeah, right, let's just get into it. I'm going to keep talking all day on YouTube, but yeah, let's get into it. Let's go and get the tyres and rims put. What's good, everyone? We are down at Tyre Point now. We've got Ant here. His Instagram will be somewhere on the screen. But yeah, so we're getting tyres put onto the cars. Now, actually Michelin's, but I'll let Ant talk through what ones we are putting on. Right, and what ones I'll be putting on the Polo?
Michelin Pilot Sport 4.
Sick. So, without further ado, let's get into Tyre Point and let's put them on. Everyone, we are now at inside Tyre Point. The car's on the ramp, as you just seen in cinematics, but yeah, they are actually a Michelin quality centre. So yeah, shout out to Tyre Point. You know where to follow them, and you can get Michelin tyres. And is it OZ? You do OZs here as well? Don't tell me that. Do you actually do OZs? Alright guys, this is gonna get dangerous. Told you, new wheels are coming soon. But yeah, shout out to Tyre Point. And we'll go out in the car once they're on. Alright guys, as you can see, they literally got all the OZ wheels in here. Oh, look at them. Got all of them in here. These are the ones I want. Hopefully we can get these one day, but we might get them soon. Watch out for a video very soon. Alright guys, so the Polo has now got new tyres on. Fresh Michelin 4s. Look how good that's going to get, so much better now. But yeah, let's get into the car. Let's head home and talk a bit more. Alright guys, we are now at home. And it's dark. It gets dark at like 6, so I'm really sorry about it. But yeah, I'm going to show you the Michelin tyres right now, the Pilot Sport 4s. If you want any details on where to get these tyres from, if you're in Maidstone, go to Tyre Point. All the links will be in the description. But yeah, let's have a look at the tyres. So yeah guys, here you can see these are Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. So as you can see here, they are total performance. Yeah, these are really sick tyres for all Polos. I definitely recommend them if you have a Polo. Yeah. sick tyres. So yeah, as I said, if you do want any tyres, go to Tyre Point. All their links will be down below. And yeah, so these are the Pilot Sport 4s. These are for the 17-inch alloys. Any questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you. Or if you want any other questions, DM Tyre Point on Instagram. They will be able to help you as well. But yeah, these are so much better for gripping. Unreal, literally unreal performance. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. It has been a bit of a short one, but I just wanted to vlog everything I do to my car, because there's no point in having a YouTube channel if you're not going to vlog every modification you do to the car. Now this is a very good modification for winter. Literally, it's coming winter now, and I had some shitty triangle tyres on them Bridgestones. They're not very good. So yeah, if you are looking for some good tyres this year, please get Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. They're the best for the Polos. Don't go with any budget tyres that apparently are better than Michelin's. They're really not. Get Michelin's Pilot 4s. They're the best in the game for a reason. Like, why are they everywhere if they're bad? You get what I mean? But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram at DSGPanther. Follow my TikTok, DSG_Panther. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you're already here, so you might as well go and subscribe. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be chameleon tint. Now I'm baiting myself up, but the actual next video will be chameleon tint. So make sure you're liking, subscribing, and you're sharing love, and you following and all that stuff. And have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.